Dat your business, you fit start am today. Dat your content, you fit start am today. Dat your career, you fit start am today. But the real question be say, you fit run am till the next 6 years. Because intensity na im dey get you started, but na consis ten cy na im dey take you to your success domot. If you understand dis principle now, e go help you for life. Stay with me, your street and guy man papa, Mr. Nwaneri for Life Don Balance TV, where we dey sama you correct and ogbonge information wey dey help you grow for life. Calm down and relax, make we begin the flow. Yes. Many people, they always dey motivated, they always dey gingered. Yes, intensity is very okay. I no condemn am at all, because you need energy to flow for life. Yes, to get started, to start your business, to start your dream job. Even this content wey we dey create, na energy we need to start am. We dey use energy to start am. Yes, everything need motivation. It is very important. But the question be say, can you maintain the flow when e hard? Can you maintain the energy when nobody dey watch your video? Can you maintain the pace when you go to your domot where you dey do business, you no get customer wey ask you wetin you dey sell? Yes, na why you need consis ten cy. Because one thing na to start, another thing na to continue. Na consis ten cy na im go prove you to be strong. Yes, na im go make you dey distinguished among other people. Yes. Imagine a farmer, he go clear the bush and the stump. Yes. He go do other necessary agronomic activities before he go start planting. And if he plant today, he no go expect harvest the next day. He go get patient. He go water the crops when they begin to grow. He go add fertilizer and manure. He go weed. Yes, he go weed the weed, comot weed wey dey there, wey dey disturb the plant from growing. He go chase pests. Yes, like birds, rodents and other animals wey fit come chop the crops wey him plant. He go still fight against diseases by applying insecticides and other necessary things. He go wait, get patience before the plant go begin dey reach harvest. And when he reach harvest, he go harvest am. And when he harvest am, now there people go begin dey look, dey notice say, this farmer don harvest him crops. Yes, na so life be. People no go notice you until the result go begin dey show. Yes, they no dey notice effort. So why not channel your energy on doing what you need to do? Keep posting your content if you be content creator. If like me sef, I dey post. I fit post, I no get any view. E no go discourage me. I go continue to dey post, dey improve on myself. Yes, because I know say a worker deserve him wages. One day e go shele, the result go happen. Yes, and when the result go begin dey talk, now there people go say, yes, Mr. Nwaneri, he don make am o. But now when I dey do am, nobody go notice am. Na so life be. If you dey do business, keep showing up, keep strategizing, keep giving your best to your business. Even if you dey get low or no patronage, no allow am discourage you. The problem be say many people dey expect overnight success. E no dey happen like that. If you know any one or two successful person around you for your hood, ask am. Make him tell you him own story. He go tell you say he don try so tey he wan give up. He say no, he no go give up. Yes. Successful people, they no dey give up. Na consis ten cy. Keep showing up, keep working. No be only by motivation o, because you fit dey motivated, but na consis ten cy na im go bring the result, na im go bring the required success, my brother, my sister. Don't wait until you are motivated. Show up when you are tired. Show up when people no dey notice your effort. Show up when you are discouraged. Because once you refuse to quit, you are getting stronger, wiser, and closer to your dream. Life dey always reward person wey dey refuse to quit. Yes. Consis ten cy no be doing or achieving big at once. Na by doing those things and achieving little things repeatedly over and over again, one day e go compound. Intensity fit open the door, but na consis ten cy go make you dey inside the room. Yes, without going out. Therefore, my correct people, life reward person wey dey stay consis ten t. Once you stay consis ten t towards your goal, towards your dream, towards that thing wey you don start, success must surely locate you. If this message really bless you today, abeg share am to your family members, your friends, and that person wey dey feel discouraged for life. Yes. Do not forget to subscribe and follow this channel. Also, comment say, I must stay consis ten t from now onwards. Yes, towards achieving my dreams. Like this channel. Also, na me be your street and kind man papa, Mr. Nwaneri. Have a great week ahead. I love you all, my fans.